nutsicles. No, nutsicles. No, nutsicles. No, nutsicles. 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 I don't even care anymore. Hit me. Walk hard down there. Hit me. Hey, Seki, what up, though? I was supposed to wear my new gloves today, but I was lazy because I knew if I wear them, I have to break them in. I'd rather do that on a weekday, because on a weekday, we don't really come to Supercar Alley on a weekday because there's a lot of cars and a lot of La Policia. I don't know why on a weekday. Like, the amount you see in my videos during the day, which I kind of cut that stuff out. But like, on a weekday, it's just absurd, man. It's crazier than a mug. So, on the weekdays, I go for normal rides around the city, around the different cities, different places. Again, footage to be soon, to be coming, TBD, coming soon. My brain, man, just eats up words and mixes them together. I go fusion, ha! And I mix up the words, and not in a good way. It's like when the fingers don't collide correctly. You go like this instead of this. Simp. My words will come out like they should. It's not a perfect fusion. But you saw how fast my brain came up with that and just threw that at you guys, and you guys just took it all over your face. Pretty nice, huh? Living with a super genius brain like mine. Yeah, it's slow, but it's you know, it's honest work. Don't do it. I know what you're doing, but don't do it. Oh, what a mess. What up, shorty, with the little antlers up in this hole? Pop it, man, pop it. There's a biker. Tingle 50-50 with no hole. $50,000 on my neck. Disrespect. Shorty blazing. Get them holes filled, shorty blazing. We got a rider. I'm upset. I thought it was gonna be, oh, that's a beautiful. Oh, that is so beautiful. First one was better though. Sequel, not as great as the original, but shit was clean. There's a TikTok where there's like a white chick and she goes, do something, nah. Yeah. I love that. Oh, my heart. I don't know why I fucks with it. There's a biker behind me, so he's kind of effing up the vibe right now because it's kind of close, not too close, but enough close that I can't switch lanes too fast. There's a biker over there too. 50-50 with no hole. I want a lane split, but I don't know what lane he's gonna go into, so I'm just gonna do something for me. Can you hit him with the rich flex for me? 21, can you do something for me? 21, can you do something for me? Next for me, 21, do your thing, 21, do your thing. Do your thing, 21. This shit costs a lot. Diamonds, no. Small wrist with a rider's glove on it. This shit, worth a lot. Not cost a lot, I didn't buy it. It's a rider wrist, man. Flashes, that means it's a red. Never mind. I know you want your, but can you suck it? I don't like that one. If we do a retake later on, I don't like that one. Also, I don't like the word, at the end of a sentence is a period. I love that way. I can say it no matter what, no issues. But I can't say that shit when it's related to the female anatomy. Nah, hell nah, F that. I'm out. Peace. Lele. It's the same guy. He's also doing laps. Well, let me feed you some booty. You want to eat it? Have a taste. It don't taste that bad. It don't taste. Oh my god, it smells like ass. Karma. Nah, he don't want that. Here. Oh my god, it smells like ass. It's manure, like fertilizer. Oh dear Lord, forgive me for I have twerked. I'm sorry guys, it just smelled too much like ass. I couldn't do it. Bitch, call your uncle. Bitch, don't call me. Degradation. Viscosity. Degenerate. I can't think of another word. This dude also doing laps, huh? He was in another video. You guys remember him? Hola, hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Con queso de barista? I don't know. Barista has to be a Spanish word, right? I know it's a coffee person. Na 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 na. What is that video with that white chick, man? She got that emo vibe going, but girl can get it. Bitch don't call me. Yo, where's? Oh, free. Disrespect. 50,000 on this neck. Disrespect. With this kind of deep voice, this throat, this which houses the neck, this neck that houses the throat, should be worth a lot more than that, my hoe. Should be worth a lot more than that, my hoe. Hey, truck, I'll see you there tomorrow. Oh, ¿qué pasa, amiga? Con queso de barito, de carne de asada, con queso. Dude, you're teasing me, man. You gotta be like that R6. You didn't tease me. Homie gunned it. Dude, I got smoked by an R6. That thing got me weak in the knees. It sounded so beautiful too. That guy on that R6 in that video means something to me, man. Riders should be like that. We couldn't talk to each other. We did body language. We showed how we felt about each other through our machines, our lever machines, machine levers, lever machines. He had this little valve thing, like that in essence is what a friendly human being, a dude that I'd a Bilf, alright? No, a Bilf, alright? New word, Bilf! You guys probably can't hear me because I can't hear myself. Wayne is just, oh homie. Never mind. I was gonna say, homie, turn it back and I'll let you suck it. But nah, because he's old as hell and his shorty's older than him. Either that or they're dressed up for Halloween as old motherfuckers. Nah. 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 What is that song, girl? Wait. Nah. Whenever I had a pothole, I'll do that. I don't know what it is about her, but in that video, she can consensually. Hiya. Porcupine do? 21 years and I never met a good cop, homie. So be wary of that. Going in, I'm going in, and I'm gonna go hard, and I'm gonna go hard, and I'm gonna go hard, and I'm gonna go hard. I'm going in, I'm gonna go hard. So he's the kind of guy, he kind of rides like I do. I'm not riding like that right now. But this homie guns out like a mother effer on the to get to the speed limit, and then he comes back, piano fingers on the throttle. She called me a magician because I work them fingers and make it go poof. No, I don't know. That was bad. That started off bad. Yeah. Something about that video, the cuteness factor. I know it's annoying as hell. People find that video to be. I can't help but love it. I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in. Bitch, go hard. Baby, go hard. Baby girl. Get him, baby! It's a style that I sadly have showcased in my lifetime. Oh my god, I'm getting burned alive right now on Broly. She's not happy about my performance with the R6 that I was director, you know, so I wrote how that was supposed to go down. She didn't like it. She wanted to blaze him. But all I was trying to say is that that girl, that dude, that girl, Bilf! Damn it! Bilf! That guy was a Bilf. Biker, I'd like to... I don't know if that exists or not, but I created it, so it's mine. Patent pending. TM. Bilf TM. There you go. Goes up to the light. It's something I can talk about. You guys want to know how I ride when I'm on the weekend or the weekdays like this? There's a lot more cars because apparently in Mexico nobody works. Everyone's always out. Headshot. Her tongue put my something in her head like. Tunchi. I'm on Tombstone. I want Tunchi to be up there doing a live concert, talking about bend your knees, shake your booty, back and forth, back and forth. Twerk it on the tombstone, back and forth, back and forth. I don't know, something like that. Doesn't have to do those. Don't have to be exact. Bilf! I keep forgetting. Biker, I like to. Is that R6? That R6 was the definition of that. I love that guy. The way he bowed down to me, that love language we had between each other. Oh Lord, oh Lord. She got a mouth to die for. Die for. My bad, die for. That tongue put my thing in a headlock. Thank you for waiting for me, but homie, we pro racer here. I kissed that traffic light, that stop light, that whatever light, I kissed it. Perfect lean angle. I think this has a lean angle indicator as well, but I gotta figure out how to do that. On Nimbus, she got that lean indicator thing. That thing clean. That thing clean. I turn an average girl into a pop star. She gave me neck, call it a neck job. The thing with rap is that it's just dirty. It's degrading towards women and men. With men, it's like degrading for like their body parts. For men, they straight up want to kill you. So like they don't like men or women. People always complain about all degrading women, but dude, at least they ain't shooting you. With men, they just want to shoot you. With women, they just, you know, compliment your body parts all the time. I got that thing and make it jump, jump. Shorty, you ain't got anybody in front of me, man. It's called a blinker, an indicator. It indicates what you want to do. So to me, it would indicate that you do not want to go where I'm at. So then what I would do is I would move earlier. There was a girl that I dated who her mother's name was Ruby. She used to say some disgusting stuff to me and then laugh it off as she was joking, like some real disgusting, like, what if we did this? Like, it would just be like the nastiest stuff ever. And she only helped me solidify. She wasn't even that high. She was all right. Like, I wouldn't smash. I'm getting uterus wrapped. Oh, it's not even from here. It's foreign. He's got foreign plates on. Get the F out of Mexico, dog. Not that we hate on that, but like, come on, dog. Mexicano, no Americano. But yeah, she used to say some disgusting stuff to me, like dirty stuff. And she only solidified my foundation that just don't meet the parents, just don't do it. And the thing was, she even had a dog, like a husband, husbando. She even had one. Shorty talked so dirty to me. But no, she was not somebody I would want to mess around with. That's one thing I can sadly say that I've never had in my life, is to be with the girl that I'm dating and like the mother. That's an achievement that has not been unlocked yet. Not to say it's an achievement, it's gross, it's disgusting. But sometimes when things make it on your bucket list, you just can't help but follow through. It's never like you imagine it to be. The moms are always just ass ugly. Kind of makes you think that the chick you're with is adopted straight up. Put some respect on that name. Mother effer. This dude ruined the vibe. Why would you go into the lane like that, dog? Didn't even put my foot down. They into some dirty stuff. You saw them goddamn heels? Homie last nigga stepped on in bed. Bro, they got too many horses. Too many horses. Go back to Arizona, homie. That's out of here if you don't know how to drive.